In today's video, we're going to make a classic Greek salad that is bursting with flavor, is colorful, delicious, and the best part, it is super easy. I can't wait to share this with you. Without further ado, let's go to my kitchen. My name is Theresa. I'm so glad that you're here. Now let's get started. To make our Greek salad, we're going to start with a juicy ripe tomato. We're going to cut the core out and then cut it into slices. We want to end up with a cubed tomato, so I'm going to turn the slices on their side and cut across, and then turn in the other direction and cut across again. And this doesn't have to be precise. You can see how juicy this tomato is. This is a fresh summer tomato, and this is really going to help the salad. And we're going to transfer the tomato to a bowl. We're going to take a fresh cucumber and cut the ends off. I've sliced it in half, and now we're going to take a spoon and remove the seeds. This is an important step because if you don't remove the seeds, your finished salad will be watery. And this is very easy to do with a spoon, as you can see. Now I'm just slicing the cucumber into strips, and then I will rotate the cutting board and I will cut this into a rough medium dice. We will then add the cucumber to the bowl with the tomato. Next, we're going to take a fresh bell pepper, and you can see that I'm just rotating it on the cutting board and cutting the sides off. I personally prefer to trim the ribs out of the green pepper. I don't find that that white part has very much flavor. You can definitely leave it in if you prefer. Now we're going to slice the pepper into strips, and you'll notice that I have the pepper skin side down on the cutting board. I have found that it's easier to cut it in this direction as opposed to the skin up. Now I'm taking the strips that I cut and just putting them into a rough stack. I'm going to go ahead and rotate the cutting board so that we can cut this into a dice. And again, this doesn't have to be precise. We're going to add the bell pepper to the bowl. Next, we need about a tablespoon of a medium diced red onion. I'm still working off of a red onion that I already had on hand. I'm going to dice this and add it to the bowl. Next, I'm going to sprinkle on a generous amount of kosher salt. Once the salad has been salted, we're going to give it a nice mix, and then this is going to sit at room temperature for 5 minutes. Next, I'm going to take a piece of block-style feta cheese. You can use any brand. I happen to have this piece left over from a recipe that I did in my Israel pack unboxing. If you haven't watched that video, I will put it in the cards above. I'm hitting the cheese with a little bit of kosher salt, freshly ground pepper, and dried oregano. Interestingly, even though I grow oregano in my herb garden, in this application the dried version is better. I'm going to drizzle this with a good quality olive oil and let it sit. Now the salad has been sitting for 5 minutes. I'm going to add freshly ground pepper, about a tablespoon of the same olive oil, another sprinkling of the dried oregano, and give this a toss. Now we're ready to plate. I'm scooping the salad with a slotted spoon into the serving dish. How delicious does this look? Now we're going to top this with some Greek olives. I like to dry them off on a paper towel just so that they don't discolor the salad. We're going to top this off with the feta cheese that we had marinating off to the side. And there you have it, a quick, easy, delicious Greek salad bursting with flavor. The other day I was in the grocery store and I came across what was a perfectly ripe mango, and it was on sale. And it reminded me of a hack that I have been using for years. I'm going to call this Mango Magic because it really looks like a magic trick. For this fun kitchen hack, I have prepared a small bowl of cold water with a squeeze of lemon juice. This will prevent the mango from oxidizing. Now for the amazing part. We're going to take the cut side of the mango and press it against the lip of a straight-sided glass. We are going to push gently but firmly, and as you can see, it is separating the mango from the skin. And all of the delicious mango is on the inside, and you can see that it got every speck of it out of the skin. Then I'm going to dump the mango onto the cutting board and slice it. Once the mango is sliced, it's going to take a quick dunk into the acidulated water, and then I'm going to pat it dry on paper towels. The mango can literally sit out on a buffet for an hour without oxidizing because of that lemon treatment. I love the tropical combination of coconut with mango, so I decided to toast some coconut in a dry skillet. You do want to watch this carefully. Coconut burns very easily. As soon as the coconut starts to turn golden brown, you'll want to pull it off the heat. I stepped out to my herb garden because I love to garnish with fresh color and flavor. So here I'm snipping a piece of mint from my herb garden for our garnish. I have a ton of easy recipes and a bunch of kitchen hacks to share with you, but I want to make sure that you, my subscribers, are interested. Please take just a moment and let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see more cooking videos. Thanks so much for taking time out of your busy day to spend with me. I truly appreciate it. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more like it, please give it a thumbs up. And also consider hitting that subscribe and notification bell. That way you'll see my future videos. Until next time, bye guys.